If you need to lock your card on Square, follow these simple steps to ensure your account remains secure. This guide will walk you through the process step by step. Step 1. Open a Square app. Launch the Square app on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into your account to access your card settings. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once in the app, tap on the menu icon, usually located in the top corner. From the menu, select account settings to access your card management options. Step 3. Select your card. In the account settings, look for the section labeled Cards or Payment Methods. Tap on this section to view the card linked to your account. Step 4. Lock your card. Before starting recovery, use the srock.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 5. Confirm lock status. After locking your card, check the card status in the same section. This should indicate that the card is now locked, preventing any unauthorized transactions. By following these steps, you can easily lock your card on Square for added security. If you need further assistance, consider reaching out to Square's customer support for help.